April 28th today, and it is one day before Parker, Riker, Alexi, and Josh head to Vietnam. Oh, and Dan, Usher, don't forget, photos by Usher. So, we were out at Omnia last night, having a party. It was fun, it was good times. We were all a little bit slow getting up and getting moving today, and as you can see, we're all trying to catch up on work that needs to be done, with coffees in hand, of course. This is what it is, phone calls, emails, computers. It is a dirty table, yes.
And you can get the visa by tomorrow.
Mini update for us? Anything, just a little snippet? Okay. All right, what he's trying to say is that we didn't get the Josh didn't get the visa done in time. So right now it's still processing, but we're kind of like on the fence about just leaving it up to Wildcard if we go and it's not completed processing. So we have to kind of make a couple phone calls, see if we can expedite this process so that we are good to go upon landing at the airport in Vietnam tomorrow afternoon. Hey, Joshy.
Yeah.
And this is what it looks like when you do your own laundry in a bathtub and leave it out to dry. I'm so cheap. I brought this suit from home, haven't really worn it yet, and you know what, I'm not surprised that this is exactly what I had in mind for it. It's already been in water lots of times, so I don't care about ruining the suit. It's old, it's a garbage suit, but that was really funny, and I think something that you don't see very often. Shall we do some more of these?
Where's this from again?
This is an old Thailand suit from the first trip, 2012.
Wow.
It's a 6-year-old suit. Holy smokes.
Okay, so today Mindy and I decided to go on a little couple retreat to a resort called Ayana. This place is so beautiful and photogenic. It's located in Jimbaran. And as much fun as it is to be in the house with all the crew, it's also nice to just take like a little breather sometimes after being together for a month. Do a little coupley stuff. It's been cute. Yeah, anyways, this place is very photogenic, very beautiful, and it's also only like an hour away from where the boys are staying. It's definitely more of a touristy type of destination, not like Canggu where it's better to kind of live and hang out. But anyways, I love this area. Check it out. This resort and this day.
This day's been awesome, actually, yeah.
Busy day?
So, well, we got back from Omnia, the grand opening last night at maybe like 2:30 a.m. or something like that by the time we fell asleep. And so we got up at 8 o'clock this morning, had an amazing floating breakfast in our little pool villa, and then as soon as we were done that, we proceeded to come back, change into our bathing suits, and then we went over to the pool here, which is one of the most like Instagram friendly pools that you may have seen at some point on Instagram. So we shot that, and then we just went down to the beach for sunset, where we caught some waves and some ocean and some little ponds and stuff. And now we're on our way back to our villa to get dressed into our smart casual, where we're gonna go to Rock Bar for some drinks and cocktails, and then have a nice dinner and enjoy the sunset and enjoy our last night here at Ayana. So it's gonna be
busy
nice.
day, full itinerary.
Big day, yeah.
So if you liked this video, please subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you can actually see these videos. Mindy and I didn't have to pay to stay here. Like, I don't know how much this villa costs that we're in per night, but it's not cheap. It's fancy out here. It's one of my favorite properties so far in Bali, like for sure. The whole experience has been incredible. If you want to learn how we do this, go to JustAndHerBoss.com, enter your email, join the family, figure it out, and join us tomorrow on the new vlog.
Alright guys, so you may or may not know this, but they do not produce power in Bali, and it's bloody expensive. Pay for power. I think it gets brought from another island. We, renting this villa, have to buy power on the regular. And it just goes out. We have to buy power at a store, then you input it into this little device, which is currently yelling at us, saying, "You have no power." And it's not cheap either. Power's like, I think we paid, how much did we pay, Parker? 2 million? We paid 2 million. And that lasted us how long? 5 days? 6 days? 5-6 days? Quick note. I can walk, you guys. How exciting is this? Alright, so power bar, no fan, nothing's charging.
20% battery left, brightness down.
Everyone's dying right now. This is chaos. No power. Parker's computer just blacked out. We can't work.
I'm gonna hit the ATM first because I don't have $100 to just drop on it at the moment. Justice said he'll come with me as long as I can take him out for food and have a date with him. I said fine.
It's true. He only gets time with me if he takes me for food and spends shit on me. Yeah, it's a relationship.
Let's do it.
Alright, so Parker and Justice have departed to go figure out the power situation. Our home is, all lights off, nothing being charged right now, which is interesting. Alyssa and I are on the boardwalk here in Canggu. This is one of the cutest places here. I absolutely love it. All these little shops and restaurants serve fresh fish out of the ocean, like that's caught somewhere nearby. They serve sushi and stuff. There are some badass waves going down, and yeah, the community here is cool. It's just like a lot of travelers, locals, surfers, everyone here to eat, enjoy, and yeah, live.
What are we doing?
Well, we're gonna get the bird up in the sky. We have a little bit of light left. Our whole goal was to get this beautiful sunset sequence. Now it's a mad dash to get a shot.
Bing bong, go!
Bing bong ain't ready.
We lovingly call this thing the Bing Bong because it ain't a DJI drone.
Stand clear as Bing Bong takes off, hopefully. So he doesn't slice me. Definitely happened before.
Oh.
Bing Bong!
Ah! He's made it! What settings do we need to make this look fine?
Well, I mean, here we can see shit, so let's go back a bit. Dude!
That is nice. Take
So
me
I'm
there.
thinking you pan across like this. Look at that. Boom.
Look at that. Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice.
Bing Bong is responding.
Bing Bong gets it done.
Alright, so our motorcycle mission has just turned into a Bing Bong drone.
Well, the sunset's kind of gone now, to be honest. Okay, what does that beep mean? I looked on the screen. The beeping noise means remote control signal lost, so that's why he's putting his hands in the air.
Bing Bong, respond.
Oh.
Bing Bong. Like, wait, what is it doing?
Here's a tip for content creators.
You may have gotten a drone for free. It doesn't mean it's always the best option.
But you know, do your research, do some reviews.
A minute, Josh, you've used a lot of this footage. Fuck, why did we leave so late?
Sometimes, you know, you want to get a shot, you kind of have to plan for it. What we did is we went out with no plan. We kind of just like went wherever the road took us, and actually we kind of
Took us to a couple dead ends.
it took us to a dead end actually.
Some
family was like,
project.
don't come here because we're still building the road.
Take a path that's not yet built.
Yeah. Look, we can still get some nice pictures. Oh dude, come on, look behind you. There's a moon there. You could use that for something.
I've already given you the briefing earlier in daylight. It's now nighttime. We're finally getting around to doing it. Took a picture of the barcode. Okay, fine. That's our barcode. I give it to them and I say, hey, I'd like to purchase power, please. And they say, okay. I take the number, I punch it in. I give them money. They give me a receipt. I take the receipt back and I type in the new code on receipt. And then we're back alive.
Boom, I like that. I want to be back alive.
2005. Oh, that's not bad. I'm going to try my best to make it happen again. I think it's the Stroom. Yeah, I think that's the one. Okay.
Only one way to find out. So right when we hit that, automatically the power just kicks on.
0542. Enter.
Oh!
Bada bing, bada boom.
Show us lights, show us lights.
Somebody turn them damn lights on.
Try it out. We charging, we got power. We showering. Ooh, ooh! No more flashlights needed.